Hello students and welcome to my English for Livelihoods course. It's good to have you with me. I'm excited for you to be in this course. I think you're going to learn a lot. I really appreciate you enrolling. In this course, we're going to learn about using your English skills to make your day-to-day life easier. So let me explain a little bit in this introduction video the course outline, what you'll be learning, the topics we'll be covering, and also what to expect by the end of this course. But I think learning about our day-to-day lives in English, how to approach different situations, how to know the vocabulary and the grammar, and how to do a good job explaining to people about different subjects that we may not think of as important as basic vocabulary and grammar, but are really important in terms of getting things done in an English-speaking country, whether that's for travel, for work, for study, or for living there long term. You need to know these different kinds of subjects that English speakers know very well in order to feel more comfortable living in an English-speaking country. So welcome aboard again, and let's dive into what you should be expecting. So once again, this is our English for Livelihoods course. I'm going to give an introduction right now on how you can use your English skills to make your day-to-day life easier. So let's look into it. So in this course, here is what we will be covering throughout the course, and there could be some additional videos to come. I may add additional subject matter, so keep your eyes out and your ears open in terms of what to expect. But in this course, you'll be getting lessons on introducing who you are, giving greetings like hello, how are you, and knowing how to do that. We're going to talk about minding your manners, making friends, what it's like to hang out with somebody, get to know them. And then talking about the weather, discussing the weather with somebody, knowing the different vocabulary and grammar for talking about the weather. Of course, we can't forget sports, and more sports, which is always a good subject. And then asking for directions and then giving directions when you're lost and you need to find a place or a city or a particular store or place of interest. I'm going to teach you that as well. And then we'll discuss giving your opinion, how to talk about the news politely and talk about current events, going to the grocery store, and then ordering food and drinks at a restaurant, how to know what to order, and how to get the food items you need and the hygienic items you need at the grocery store. And then talking about how to shop for clothes and other goods at other stores as well. And then we're going to discuss getting help at the bank for financial needs, setting up a bank account. We're going to talk about the basics of traveling around a country, going from city to city, or even from English-speaking country to other English-speaking country. Then I'll give you some help with studying and working in a new country. What is that like? What is the process? What to expect? And then let's discuss more health-related issues in terms of taking a trip to the pharmacy and how to get a prescription or how to talk to the pharmacist. Also visiting the doctor or the hospital or what other medical visits you might need to have. And then how to get help in an emergency, giving my own opinion and advice about what is it like to get help in an emergency, how to ask for help if you need it in case of a situation like that. And then we're going to say goodbye and talking about goodbyes and proper goodbyes and how to end a conversation on the right note. So there's a lot of great content in here. There might be more additional videos to come in the future, but we have 16 different subjects, and I think you're going to love each and every one of them. And I'm really proud because I think this course will help you in your day-to-day life and building a good livelihood in an English-speaking country. So just again, what you'll be learning about what are the different types of topics in English that you need to learn to get by in your daily life, to have a better life in an English-speaking country with less stress, less anxiety, and I want to make it easier for you to grow and succeed in an unfamiliar setting. I want you to make the most of learning these useful topics. I want you to use your English vocabulary, use your speaking skills, use the sentences I'm teaching you to succeed with them. When it comes to how to deal with introducing yourself, making friends, going to the supermarket, running errands, I want this course to help make daily life in English a little bit easier for you at home. And then you'll be receiving practice for your own self-study. You'll have lists of vocabulary words that I'm coming up with for you. Once again, example phrases, sentences, and I'm going to cover dialogues in each video that you can use too for your own learning. And you need to just be patient with your English skills. You're not perfect, nobody is. But if you take these video lessons and you do the exercises and assignments I'll have for you, and using what you know from them, you'll be able to handle your day-to-day activities and conversations with greater ease and knowledge. I promise you by the end of this course, you'll be more comfortable using English in day-to-day situations. So I'm really excited to get started. Thank you again for watching. Thanks again for enrolling in my English for Livelihoods course. And let's get started. I'm really pumped to begin, and I'm glad to have you with me. Let's get learning. See you then. Bye-bye.